Don't touch that file system. You will leave your fingerprints everywhere or anywhere you touch. I'm sure that as a penetration tester, you mostly won't need this command, but I will mention it because somehow, once or twice, okay, so I've used it a couple of times, and I think you might need it too. So it remains a piece of good information. First, I want to talk about file system and metadata, just for a little. Every file on the file system, no matter what it is, has metadata, which contains information such as time and date, when it was created, accessed, modified, its size on the disk, its ownership information, and so on and so forth. For a forensic examiner, metadata information is really important to uncover a fraud or something along those lines. To me, it's not that bad if a forensic analyst follows your traces and detects how you compromise the system. It might even be in the scope of the test for blue team analysis. However, as a penetration tester, you may need this command in certain other situations. For instance, file integrity monitor software is a good reason to watch out for. Now, my point is that you may sometimes, in special situation, and it does vary upon your usage, you might need to manipulate the file system integrity to escape from a monster. Remember to use Timestomp. So, let's see where it is. Now, you will need to have at least an admin level session to manipulate the file system using Timestomp. So type Timestomp H to display the help menu for this command. And look at that. Here it has some parameters to specify commands. So first, I'm going to check where I am on the target actually. PWD. All right, so I'm in System 32. So I'm going to change the folder to C, WAMP, www, uploads, PWD. Yes, I'm there now. LS. And I think you probably remember allports.exe. You use that file when searching and testing for vulnerabilities. And a view of files MACE data, use Timestomp with the V parameter. Timestomp and the path of the allports.exe. Oops, look at that. I can't talk and type at the same time. I didn't add the parameter. So then add the V parameter. Now, by the way, MACE stands for the first letters of modified, accessed, created, and entry modified words. So anyway, go to the upper folder. LS. Now here there is a testmysql.php file. When you display the MACE data, it was last modified in 2010. So, to hide allports.exe file, Timestomp can pull a file's MACE data and set for allports.exe using the F parameter. Timestomp C, WAMP, www, uploads, allports.exe, then type F, and the second file, C, WAMP, www, testmysql.php. And the command's executed successfully. So let's check it. Use the arrow key to move in the history. Okay. So now you can see allports.exe now has testmysql's MACE data. So you can also set these values to a specific date if you want. For example, you can use the C to set a created date. Timestomp, the path of allports.exe. C, use double quotes for dates, 1/1/2000 for the date, and 1/1/1 for time. Use the arrow key to move in the history, okay, and it changed successfully. Now, of course, you're thinking that you can, change some other attributes in the same way. Just use the arrow key for previous commands and just change the parameter to A for accessed date and change parameter to M for modified date. And now display the mace data for all ports.exe. And look at that, you successfully changed. Oh, I forgot the entry for modified date. So use the E parameter to set a specific date. And it changed that as well. So I think you got the point here that you can change the mace data to confuse the analyzer. Awesome.